beautiful people? It is Alex. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome and thanks so much for joining me. Today I'm bringing you, as requested, a fashion DIY, and today we're making a jumper, or is that what it's called? Like a one-piece suit? I think it's called jumper. Anyway, we're making one of those, and it's going to be super easy and super fun. So yes, but before we get started, hope everybody's staying safe. I know the world is really crazy right now. I hope we're all practicing social distancing and everything like that. Make sure you're staying inside, washing your hands, all that jazz. And hopefully everything will be back to normal very soon, because I am tired of not being able to go out and do just normal things. I really miss the gym, which is crazy because I kind of hated it, but now that I can't go, I want to go. Does that make sense? Anyways, I'm probably not the only one feeling that way, but I hope you guys are staying safe. And if you're bored and you need something to do while you're inside, you should watch my other videos, like the one where I made a vision board, or the one where I made a dress out of plastic bags, or the one where I redecorated my room, or any of the other videos that are on my channel. Make sure to subscribe. Put the notification bell on so you know when I post a video, which has been a minute, but it's fine. We're getting back to it. Let's see. Oh, follow me on social media so you can keep up with my everyday shenanigans, or not. It's usually just me eating or watching TV or something, but still fun. Anyways, I'm done rambling. Let's get into this video making a fashion jumper. Let's go. So for this video, you're gonna need some material, some scissors, some elastic, a shirt, and pants. I'm using scrub bottoms because they are really big at the top and I want it to be able to fit with the shirt. I'll show you later on what I'm talking about. Also, I'm using non-stretchy pants, so like not leggings, because this material is not stretchy. So I don't wanna use stretchy pants because then it'll be too small. Does that make sense? Anyways, so elastic, scissors, shirt and pants, some fabric, and also I'm gonna use a sewing machine, which is not in my room, but you'll need it anyway. So yeah. Okay, so now you just wanna lay your fabric out, make sure it's smooth, and then go ahead and take your pants, fold them in half, and then cut around them. I left a little space just for sewing purposes. And you're gonna cut that 2 times so that you end up with 4 pants pieces. And then go ahead, take your shirt. You're gonna cut out 2 of those, 1 for the back and 1 for the front, and we'll get to sewing. Okay, so really quick before I go to the sewing machine, I just wanted to show you guys. So I have 4 pieces like for my pants part. And so put right sides together, and then we're gonna sew along this right here, all the way down on that side, all the way down on that side, and then I will show you the top. Okay, so this is after I've sewn the crotch pieces together. I guess that's what it's called, but basically it's the, like, you have the front of the pants and the back of the pants. So now I'm gonna go ahead and sew down the side and then down the inside leg, so that when we flip it right side out, we'll have a pair of pants. Don't worry that this is very, very long, because we're gonna add the top to it and the elastic, and it's gonna be fine. So yes, now we're just gonna sew inside leg, outside leg on both sides, obviously, so we can connect these 2 pieces together and have the bottoms done. Ta-da! We have pants, and they are so comfortable. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Obviously this is really big, but don't worry, because this is where the shirt is gonna go on top, so that we have a jumper. Also, so you can just make the crotch part however long you want it. So if you want it kind of baggy, just like loosen it up a bit so that it like starts down there. This is really weird. I'm sorry, guys. And then if you want it a little tighter, just pull it up a bit higher so that you know where to start your shirt bit. but I want it like that, so it'll be down here. But we have pants, and this only took like 5 minutes to sew, so this is amazing. This is really quick, super easy. Now we're going to work on the top. Okay, so the top part is very simple. Put right sides together, sew the shoulder seams, and then right here, the underarms all the way down the sides, and you'll have a top. So I'm gonna go do that now. Is up, gorgeous people. It's been like 2 weeks since the last clip, don't ask, but here we go. In the last clip, I finished sewing the shirt together, but then I realized that the top part was way too small for me to like fit my body through it to put the jumpsuit on once the pants and the shirt were sewn together. So I just cut a little bit of a wider neck, so it's a little bit like off shoulder, not like all the way, but a little bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hem that top bit when I am hemming all of it. And now just sew the pants to the shirt and hem it, and we're done. Okay, so I wanted to show you before I sew this up how to get it in. So I flip the shirt inside out and the pants are right side out, and you put right sides together. So this is the pants, like the top of the pants, and this is the bottom of the shirt. So right sides together, and then just sew all the way around. And when we are finished, I'll flip this right side out and we'll have sewn the shirt to the pants, and it'll be a whole jumpsuit. Okay, so here's the whole jumpsuit. I have not sewn the top yet, and also I have so much extra material here in the front, and I'm going to go ahead and just like shorten that up just by sewing this together and cutting off the excess. I don't know if I'm gonna use the elastic, because once this extra material is sewn up, it'll be tight enough to stay on, but loose enough to be comfortable. I may end up putting the elastic in, I'm not sure, just so that I have like a snatched waist and it's not like wearing a big pillowcase. All right, you guys, here is the full jumpsuit. I am in love. So here's the off the shoulder top. I ended up not putting the elastic in the top because it was really big, and every time I put it in, it would like scrunch it up way too tight, and then it would be like this. So I kind of like this look a little bit better. It just fits a little bit easier. And I just put elastic around the back side, like right here. So I just put a band in the back, and the front is smooth. And we hem the bottom and we hem the top, and I paired it with these really cute earrings that I got from Goodwill eons ago, and I love it. Let me know in the comment what you guys think. I love it. This is so comfy. I will definitely be making this again, obviously with some amendments to the top, but basically as long as you have a top and a bottom, you can sew them together and make a jumpsuit. Yes, I love this. So comfy, so amazing, lovely, just lovely. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more content. Make sure and click the notification bell so you're notified when I post a new video. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them down below in the comment section, or you can hit me up on social media. I am on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, all at Sparkling Alex. Go check out my other videos if you haven't checked them out. Like them, leave me comments, all that fun stuff. I hope everyone is still staying safe. I think that's all I have to say today. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.